YouTube. Today we're gonna walk through a couple of highlights I had when I installed the weighing sump pump backup system. So as you can see, I have two boxes in front of me. One is the sump pump and as well as the backup system. Also, I bought the 12 volt 75 amp hour battery. So the model number is WSS30V, and so before we start, let's go ahead and give it a try here. So because I just want to show you how it works. So right now I just disconnect the power line. The only thing connected is the the battery system. Even the battery charging cable is disconnected. So let's just go ahead and give us a try. And I will tell you that in my experience is that each push can generate about discharge about 10 gallons of water. So this is a 5-gallon water. So let me just go ahead and get it in. 1, 2, 3, go. So you can see the water being sucked it up. Okay, I guess this is one cycle for the battery in case where there's a power outage. And I can in my estimation again, 10 gallons of water will be discharged by one battery push. Just a couple hurdles I want to share with you guys when I install this package. One is that this boy is big. Even though the recommended minimum diameter is 15, 18 inches and the depth is 22. My hole is barely big enough to fit it. So I wish my hole was bigger, but I think it just making it in. So another thing is that just one thing to make sure is that the floater trigger system should be having at least 1 inch or above clearance against the wall. In my case, I only have less than 1 inch, which is about probably 3/4 inch. I tested it out. I mean, it looks okay. It's pretty heavy. It's at least about 40 pounds. So I based on some review, I was trying to put a brick underneath the system, but the brick is too big. Even though this is 12 inches in length, so the diameter is about 18, 17 inches. So just too big to fit in. So what I end up doing is to use a lot of garden pebble rocks, which works pretty well. As you can see, unfortunately, I cannot tell you that the bottom of the this thing is really a couple of legs. So, but so it's not a flat, so it's a couple of legs. And also, let's move over to the battery. So I bought a battery itself. The pack comes with the box, so you can see that right now, even though I just newly bought it, so it's fully charged. So which is correct. So it's fairly easy to connect it. So it's a positive connective couple of cables to connect it with, and again, a couple of hurdles. The other hurdles I have is that because I have a sump pump system, radon system, so which require I have 2 holes in the discharge lid, which is still in the pain in the ass. I have to figure out how to insulate that. But overall, I think I'm pretty happy about the performances of this weighing sump pump back system. A, it sounds like it's pretty quiet. B, sounds like it's really powerful. C is that it just feels really solid. Even though many places said it's built in China, but I think no offense, but I think it's okay. All right, so that concludes today's review about the weighing sump pump backup system and the model number WSS30V. Thank you.